back to my channel. As promised, today I'm filming my beach cover up haul and my designer flip-flop unboxing. As you can see, I already have a My Teresa box standing next to me, but I'm gonna open the shoes later and I'll show you the beach cover ups first. And just for your information, my dress is from Asos and it's currently on sale, so I'm gonna link it down below. I always get so many compliments when I'm wearing it and I love it, it's just so soft. And by the way, my beach cover ups are all from Asos as well, and I'm gonna link all of them down below as well, so you can shop them. The first one I got is this blue one. I got them all for my upcoming trip to America and I love this one so much. It's just so flowy and it has a back detail here and here you can tie it and it's just so gorgeous, and I think it's just perfect for lounging by the pool, and I'm gonna definitely get a lot of wear out of this one. The next one is this white one, and as you can see it's made out of crochet and I love it so much. It's just perfect and it's so simple, and I will be wearing this over a white bikini, and when I'm tan it will look gorgeous. So take a closer look again. The next one I love as well, and it's a bit more colorful for me. It's this striped one. It's white and pink striped and it's just perfect as well. You can tie it up here and it's just really cute, and the material is so soft and comfortable, so I'm loving this one as well. And the fourth beach cover up is a classic one as well. It's this black one, and as you can see it's sheer and I love it so much. It's just so simple, but yet when you wear it you look so elegant, and I'll wear this one over a black bikini and I'm gonna love it. I got two new bikinis as well, actually one bikini and one bathing suit. And the first bikini is this one, and how cute is this? It's off the shoulder and it's in this cute blue and white print. And how gorgeous is it? You can tie it here in the front as well, and it's just so soft and it's really special. I think I have never seen a bikini like this. And I got the matching pants as well, as you can see here. I love this one so much, it's just so cute. And I got a bathing suit as well. It's this cute one. It's from New Look and it's really inexpensive, but I think it will look much more expensive paired with my new sandals, and I love this one as well. And last but not least, I got this straw hat on Asos as well, and it was really inexpensive and it's just more of a statement piece than a classic straw hat, so I'm really loving it. And here you can see how it looks. I think it's really cute and it will protect me from the sun and it will look cute on pictures as well. So I'm really loving this one. And now on to my Teresa purchase. As I told you, I got myself some designer flip-flops and I'm so excited to unbox them with you now. So let's open the box. As you can see, there's a ribbon here. Let's take it off. And a care card. And now you can see that I bought Valentino Flipflops. And I'm so excited to open them. It was very hard to find the exact color that I wanted, and only My Teresa sold this color. So here are the dust bag and some extra stuffs and authenticity card. And here you can see the flip-flops. I got silver Valentino flip-flops and I love these so much, and actually I had to size up a size, so I got them in size 38 now because I already tried them on in the local Valentino boutique in Vienna in size 37 and they were just too small. I don't know why, but these fit perfectly now and I love these so much. So yeah, I hope you like them as well, and I think for designer flip-flops their pricing is quite okay because they were 240 euros, and compared to Louis Vuitton flip-flops that I looked at as well, these are quite cheap actually. So I love these, and they're just so classic in the silver color. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to wear all these pieces in my trip to America, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. Bye!